One of the principal responsibilities of those working within the scientific community is to communicate findings. Now, this is done by reporting measurements. These are measurements that are derived through experimentation. Chemistry and physics measures kinds of quantities such as length, mass, time, volume, velocity, and so on. From this point on, you really have to pay attention to numbers and units. The number is used to tell us how many of the units are contained in the quantity being measured, but the unit tells us the specific nature of the dimension. For example, measuring something in centimeters is quite different than measuring something in liters. When you measure in centimeters, you're using a unit of length, versus a liter, it's a unit of volume.